I asked ChatGTP to roast people who reply with the following: "We should catch up sometime." And they never meant it. And honestly, this might be very accurate. ChatGTP roasts types of people serious. Welcome everyone. I'm Steve Ovo, your number one AI comedy guy. If you've said, "Let's grab coffee soon," knowing fully well you're never gonna grab coffee, this roast is about you. And me. Roasted! Haha! These people don't lie outright, they lie politely. We should hang out. With no date, no time, and no intention. It's not a plan, it's a verbal exit strategy. Roasted. they say they say it at the end of conversations like it's a courtesy wave. Not because they don't want to, not because they want to see you, but because silence feels rude. Roasted. You'll message them a week later, and suddenly they're like, "So busy lately." Busy doing what? Avoiding me professionally. They don't cancel plans. They never make them. Roasted. They want to seem friendly without committing to friendship. Roasted. But real talk, sometimes people do mean well. Life gets busy, energy runs low. But just remember, if someone wants to see you, you won't need to follow up. Relax, it's comedy. If you are offended, that means ChatGTP hit close to home. Tag a person who says we should catch up sometime and follow the channel for more. Because every year, this, apologies. Tag a person who says we should catch up. Because every day we are going to roast everyone. This is ChatGTP Comedy. We roast everyone. Happy Monday.